Okay, we have received a message from our class teacher that recently SNK BPJB are going to have a fundraising fair in the school. The purpose of this event is to accumulate a total of 50,000 to enhance the sports facilities in the school. Therefore, the principal of SNK BPJB require all Form 4 and Form 5 students to participate in this event by selling food or beverage. So, what are the best items that our team suggests?
Maybe we should sell this raisin cake.
What a good idea!
During the fair, Jensen's brother accidentally eaten up a part of the butter cake. In the diagram, OABC is the region that had been accidentally eaten up. It is given that AO is 10 cm and angle of AOC is 5/6 pi radian. Find the perimeter of the shaded region and the area of the shaded region. Now, we need to find the perimeter of shaded region. Before we find the perimeter of shaded region, we need to find the arc length of ABC. The formula of arc length is r theta. After we sub the information given, we can get the arc length of ABC is 26.18 cm. Then, we can find the perimeter of shaded region, which is the arc length of ABC plus radius of AO and OC. Finally, we can get the answer of perimeter of shaded region is 46.18 cm. Next, we need to find the area of the shaded region. The formula that we use to find the area of the shaded region is 1/2r squared theta. After we sub the information given, we can get the area of the shaded region is 130.9 cm square.
5 students and 3 parents who has buy the cake are going to arrange in a row for a lottery session. Find the numbers of ways they can be seated if all parents must be seated together. For this question, we are going to use Form 5 Chapter 4, which is permutation and combination. By using the formula, we can find the answer that the number of ways they can be seated will be 4,320.
For those who has buy at least 3 cakes will have a chance to lottery. In the lottery box, it is found that the chance of winning the lottery is 1/4. If each of them has 2 chances to draw the lottery, find the probability of winning the lottery once and winning the lottery exactly twice. For this question, we are going to apply from Chapter 5, which is probability distribution for this question. For A, we are going to get 0.375, and for B, we are going to get 0.0625. Based on this answer, it shows that you will have a lower chance to win the lottery exactly twice. Jensen plans to buy X chocolate chip cake and Y raisin cake from bakery in conjunction with the school fundraising fair. The price for a chocolate chip cake and a raisin cake are 80 ringgit and 60 ringgit respectively. The purchase of the cakes will be based on the following constraints. The first constraint is the total number of cakes must not be more than 80. The second constraint is the amount allocated is at least 5,000 ringgit. And the third constraint is the ratio of the number of chocolate chips cakes to the number of raisin cake is more than 2/3. A. Write the three inequalities other than x bigger or equal to 0 and y bigger or equals to 0 that satisfy all above constraints. B. By using a scale of 2 cm to 10 cakes on both axes, construct and shade the region R which satisfy all above constraints. C. By using the graph constructed in B, find the range of number of raisin cakes if the number of chocolate chips cake purchased is 30, and the maximum amount of profit obtained by the bakery if the profits of selling a chocolate chips cake and a raisin cakes are 30 ringgit and 20 ringgit respectively. For A, from the first constraint, we are going to get x plus y less than or equal to 80 for the first equation. And for the second constraint, we are going to get 80x plus 60y bigger or equal to 5,000 for the second equation. Or we can simplify it to 4x plus 3y bigger or equal to 250. And for the third constraint, we are going to get 3x bigger than 2y for the third equation. For B, we are going to sketch the graph by using the three equations from the question A. And we are going to shade the region R which satisfies all the above constraints. And for question C, they need us to find the range of the number of raisin cakes if the number of chocolate chips cake purchased is 30. So we are going to use back the graph and find the x-axis, and when x-axis is 30, the range of y-axis is 46 to 50. And for the last question, we are going to find the maximum amount of profit obtained by the bakery if the profits of selling a chocolate chips cakes and a raisin cakes are 30 ringgit and 20 ringgit respectively. So the maximum profit that had gained by the bakery is 1,920 ringgit.
After the fair, Jensen buys a birthday cake for his friends. He cuts the cake into several slices as shown in the diagram below. The angle of the first slice of cake is 20 degrees, the second slice is 25 degrees, the third slice is 30 degrees and successively. If each of his friends gets a slice of cake, calculate the number of Jensen's friends. And for this question, we are going to use Form 4 Part 5, which is arithmetic progression, to solve this question. Using the formula Sn equals to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, we are going to find the answer is 9. So it means that 9 friends gets a slice of cake.